Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today I'm going to be going over the general settings page that we have in our point of sale system. So in order to get to the settings, we'll just go to the menu here. We'll go to settings, and here we have the different settings that we can change within our app. First off, we have update shop address, where we'll be able to change the shop name, country, address, time zone, and business ID if necessary. We can also update the repair shop info, where we'll be able to change the store name, the city, the phone number, and the email address. Here we have requests and feedback, where we can put a rating from 1 to 10 on how you're enjoying the app. You can request a feature if you have a specific feature that you would like to add, and you can provide details on how that setting would need to work to fit your needs. You have the terms and condition option, where this is going to let you change the terms and conditions that you have within your store. This was what will be printed on your receipt or on your invoices. Here we have the sales information, where you can choose the currency you're going to be using. You can activate the Square integration, and you can put your tax type below. Now, in the case that your currency is not within the list, you can always contact us and we can customize you that currency and add it to your store without any issues. You'll also be able to enable GST, goods and service tax, if necessary. Next, we have the store logo, where you'll be able to tap on this image and add your own image to be your own logo. This is the logo that shows up in your invoices, on your receipt, and on the top left of the screen in the POS. Here we can update the admin pin. When you first open this page, it will ask you for the admin code, just as anything else in settings, and then it will give you the option to update the admin key if you wanted to change that password. Here you can add a store. If you have a plan that supports another store, you can just go to create new shop. You'll add the store's information and the store's location, and then you can go down here to add now to add that as a new shop. Here you have your subscription plan, where you'll be able to change or see what plan you're currently using within our POS. You have a basic tutorial, which teaches you a few of the basic things you need to know about the application if necessary. You can always go back to this tutorial if you ever need to figure anything out, if anything is not working. This goes from employee management to customers to create and repair, managing locations, the import tool, printers that work and how to use them, your quick repairs and getting started, and the Square POS integration. Here we have the other settings option, which is going to toggle on and off emails that will be automatically sent to your customers, either for welcoming when creating their account or order updates. You can show terms and conditions on the receipt, either when printing a repair ticket or when printing a sales receipt with these two options. You can notify employees when a repair status is updated with this option right here, and you can get notified when new sales are made and receive push notifications every time a new sale is made down here. Apart from that, we have the branding app right here. Within this branding app, we'll be able to create an app for you, if that's something you're interested in, for your customers with your own shop's branding. We'll be working with you on board for the entire process to make this application something for you, if that's something you're interested in. You'll be able to promote things from your store like discounts and offers. You'll have your own custom logos, colors, and etc., all within the customer's application.